was like, we thought you blue screened.
Something about a network.
Huh.
Delta Sears. This guy's probably drooling on himself by now.
Gotta be.
Is there any way we can record this?
Yeah, just hit the share button and record video. And then you can just trim it down and let us show it to him later. You can hear us talking about him sleeping.
Let's all stand around and clap for him. And record it.
Yeah.
Yo, Diablo, wake up! Wake up!
You probably got a chess piece or a showstopper sitting in there, dude, and you fast asleep. And don't even know about it, man.
There's a bare chess piece in there. You just gotta go get it, man. Wake up.
It might
Wake
be.
the fuck up!
Oh.
No.
He is out for the count.